So today we are going to read the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go, which is written by Peter Dixon. In this poem, you are going to learn how the children are thinking that their teacher is a very special kind of person. He believes that teacher is not an ordinary person and the teacher is not doing the kind of ordinary things which we are doing. And he is so curious to know about what teachers are doing when they are moving out from the school, when they are going back to their home, whether they go to their home, do they wear pajamas or do they eat food, do they have family, and do they also do mistakes like us when they were children. In this way, child is having a lot of questions regarding his or her teacher. Okay, so what kind of livelihood is followed by the teacher? So he's so curious to know about, he is having so many questions in his mind to find out. And at the last, he is saying that find out, I'll chase my teacher one day and I will find out all these answers and I will write a poem and so that you can read it. So in this poem, we are going to read that how the child is thinking. Okay. So I'll just read the stanzas and I'm going to explain you. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? So you can see the child is asking where the teachers are going. Okay, when it is 4 o'clock. When at 4 o'clock they are getting dispersed from the school, then where do they go? Do they live in houses? Now he's asking whether they live in houses like us or do they wash their socks? As we wash our socks, we wash our clothes. Teachers also do this. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? Pajamas here is clothes. Okay. And child is so amazed. He wanted to know, do teachers also watch TV like us? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Pick their noses means putting fingers on in your nose to take out the mucus. So a child is wondered whether teachers also put their fingers in their noses like these are the bad things teachers also do. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Now the child is again thinking that do the teachers are also having their family? They are also living their moms and dads. And do they or were they bad when they were children? They misbehave or not when they were children like us? When they were students, how do they behave in the class? The child is so much curious to know about the teachers. How do teachers behave when they were students like him? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now the child is again asking whether teachers are making mistakes when they were children, when they were students in the school. In the childhood time, were they make mistakes in speaking anything wrong? Okay. Or were they ever make mistakes or were they eat anything in the class? When the class is going on, have they eaten anything and they are punished for that? Did they ever lose their hymn books? Hymn books means religious books. The teacher have also lost any book. Did they ever leave their greens? Green means green vegetables, which normally children don't like. Then child is asking that whether teacher also don't like green vegetables or they also leave green vegetables when they were children. Like us, we don't like green vegetables. Do children also didn't like green vegetables? Did they scribble on their desk, right? Like we are writing on the desk. Do teachers also write on the desk when they were children? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Like we also wear old dirty jeans. Did teachers wear old dirty jeans when they were kids? I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem and that they can read to you. Now the childish poet is saying that he will follow the teacher one day to their home and will find out what they are doing in the home. And then he will write a poem that we can read it. Okay. So I think poem is clear to you all. This is a very easy poem. Show me your virtual thumb if it is clear to you all. Show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear to you all. To everyone, Kanishka, is it clear? Anya, clear. Poem is clear to you all. Shivam, Harsh, Adit, show me your virtual thumbs. Prapti, Avni, Charvi. Poem is clear to you all. Aditya, clear? Show me your virtual thumb, children. Yes, Harsh, you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, this poem is clear.
Okay, fine. So I think it's clear to everyone that child wanted to know that teachers are just like ordinary person, or what they do. Do they live the life like us, or do they do something special? So child want to follow one day the teacher, and he's going to find out what teachers are doing at home, so that he will write a poem that we can read. Now children, write down aim of the poem. Write down name of the poem. Then now we are going to take one paragraph. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? They live in house. Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? Write down this paragraph. First, you are going to write the aim. To know about the teachers, where do they go after 4 o'clock? Socks. First question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. What is the name of the poem and its poet? Bhuvi, can you please tell me? What is the name of the poem? Unmute yourself, Bhuvi. Name of the poem and poet.
The name of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go? And the name of the poet is Peter Dixon.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Go, went, gone. Live, lived, lived. Wash, washed, washed.
Ma'am, what is the aim?
To know about the teachers, to know about what the teachers do after going home. And learn vocabulary. Then next, who are they here? Who are they here? Can you tell me in chat? Who are they here? Who are they here? Who are they here?
Teachers.
Yes, they are teachers. They are teachers here. Find possessive adjective. Can you tell me, children, possessive adjective? Find possessive adjective. Find possessive adjective. Can you tell me in chat? Find possessive adjective. Yes, what is the possessive adjective in this line? Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Aditya, can you tell me possessive adjective, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence again.
These sentences are in front of you. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? What is the possessive adjective in this paragraph?
Ma'am, I think they are wash their socks and live in houses.
Only their socks because it belongs to them. Possessive words are show belongingness, like my pen, yours pen, his pen. So their socks. Okay. Possessive words are my, yours, his, hers, theirs. So these all are possessive words. And if it accompanies the noun, then it is possessive adjective. Okay. So their socks
Okay.
is possessive adjective over here. Okay.
Okay.
Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Where do all the teachers go? Teachers go when it's 4 o'clock.
To their houses.
Yes, you will write the complete answer. At 4 o'clock.
Ma'am, the teachers go at their home at 4 o'clock.
Yes, the teachers go. The teachers go to their homes at 4 o'clock. The teachers go to their homes. Homes at 4 o'clock. Children, I think you have done. Next paragraph.